Some spots, though, are going to start to get some relief from the rain. They'll see some drier skies, but here in Albuquerque, we still have that chance for isolated storms. Not that we need it. Yesterday, record-breaking rain, I should say. We got 0.96 inches of rain. The old record set back in 1933. We got 0.71 inches of rainfall, so we pushed well past that. Now, as we take you into some of the radar estimated totals that we've seen, there are a few locations throughout parts of New Mexico that really got some pretty decent rain. We got about 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches from Rio Rancho extending through Albuquerque, so it really depended where you live, how much you got. Then you had all the runoff from the rain around you. As we get you down west of Socorro, we had some spots 2, even 2.5 inches. Then as we move you up to the north and east, another pocket where we had some pretty steady rain. This is right along the state line, and look at parts of southern Colorado where we got 3 inches of rainfall. And it is a little wet out there in spots this morning, not necessarily in the metro area. We are looking at drier skies, some quick showers pushing through Santa Fe, but aside from that, we are dry, maybe just a sprinkle or two with the clouds. Some showers out near Carlsbad and Loving, and then as we move up towards the north and east near Springer, Des Moines, we have some showers, and some of the wet weather that was in Logan has now moved out. Through the day, we're going to keep the rain chance around, and that means we're going to be watching for the potential for flash flooding again. Still a flash flood watch in effect until 6 o'clock up into the northeast. That's about another 10 minutes on that. We'll continue to watch for more watches and warning as we go through the afternoon. Rain so far this July, over 2 inches of rain. We typically get about 1.5 inches for the entire month, so we are well beyond that, which is good. We need it. Our deficit's still pretty big for the year, but we're going to continue to see the chance for rain and storms. Not yet letting up. We'll see the central and eastern part of the state really favored for our rain and storms today. High pressure starting to move in, and that's going to pull with it some drier air. So our far western locations will see limited chances for rain and storms. Northern mountains, central mountain chain down towards the Guadalupe Mountains, again, very good chance for the storms. And even our eastern plains will have a good chance for rain and storms later on this afternoon and evening before some big changes by Friday and the weekend. By tomorrow, our rain chance really localized to the north and east as we have the dry air starting to set up shop overhead, and then it moves almost directly over the state by this weekend, and we're going to see a lot of sunshine, the dry skies, and we're also going to be seeing the heat. We're going to have temperatures upper 90s, triple digits in spots. But here's a look at your day planner. Today we will have the midday sunshine, mid 80s, some 90s, isolated storms. Starting to heat back up down to the south. A little bit cooler, though, into the north and east, where we'll have a little bit more of that rain today. So scattered showers and storms possible in parts of southern Colorado with the low to mid 80s today. As we get you into the north and west, mainly dry, but a spot storm can't be ruled out with highs in the mid 80s, some 90s through Farmington. As we get you into the south and west, we'll have the scattered late day showers and storms with highs in the 80s and 90s. The drier skies as we head through the weekend, and temperatures climbing by about 5 to 6 degrees. Into the south and east, 80s and 90s today with partly sunny skies. We'll have the evening showers and storms, and by the weekend, much drier conditions, and we'll have those triple digits that will last Sunday and into Monday as well. Into the northeast, widespread showers and storms, 60s and 70s in a lot of locations, a few 80s in Santa Rosa and in Conchas, and by Sunday, that's when we'll have to start to see the drier skies. We'll get to 87 degrees in Las Vegas, almost 15 degrees warmer by the end of this weekend. In the northern mountains, 60s and 70s, a few 80s in Espanola, Los Alamos, and Santa Fe. By tomorrow, we'll have some of the drier skies, and by the weekend, mainly dry, partly cloudy, and the mid 80s. East Mountains today, low to mid 80s with scattered showers and storms by the late day hours, and into the metro area we'll have some 90s, and again we'll have that chance for evening showers and storms right here in the metro area. By tomorrow, looks as though we could get some thunderstorms in and around the area. I think we are going to stay on the drier side though for our Friday afternoon and evening, and then the weekend we're going to keep the rain out of the forecast. Partly cloudy skies, but hot, mid and upper 90s make a return.
All right, sounds good, Cassandra. We'll be ready.
Yeah.
Thank you.